Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a card using the Love from Lizi December 2023 card kit, and it's called Making Memories. I'm going to have links down in the description. They'll be to Lizi's website where you can get the subscription for this, where you can buy other crafty products, and some of those I'll be using in my video. There's links also to the other design team members, and it'll bring you to their videos so you can be inspired if you're using this kit or for just making some really nice cards with what you have in your stash. You can share your card on either my Facebook group page, which is called Your Cards and Crafts, or Lizi's Facebook group as well. So that's it. I'm going to carry on now and we'll have a look at the card we're going to make today. So I'm going to start with an American A2 size card base. This is 300 GSM white cardstock. I have a piece measuring 8.5 by 5.5 and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of pattern paper here. This measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches and it's going to sit on like so. I've also got this piece. It's 3 3/4 by about 5 1/4. It's an offcut piece and I want to make a frame out of this that'll sit over the top. To do that, I'm going to take some Love from Lizi dies that I have in my stash. These are available on Lizi's website. They're the nested rectangles and there's 16 dies in this set. So I have taken 2 of them and I'm going to die cut one like so, and then I'm going to take this smaller one and I'm going to put it at a jaunty angle and I'm going to die cut that out there. So I won't have a straight frame, I'm going to have a crooked frame. The inside will be crooked and I'm going to sit that down on top of the front of my card base, and I'll probably add a little bit of foam tape around that to give a bit of dimension. Now I have some of my fussy cut pieces that I cut out of the 12 by 12 sheet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to embellish my frame using that. I'm also going to stamp a sentiment on the inside, and I'm going to take one of the words from our sticker sheet and stick that inside. I'm going to embellish also using the lovely little, they're like gold roses that we got, these cute little gems. I'll embellish my frame as well using those. So that's everything I have. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to die cut out my frame first, and once I have that die cut I'll come back to you then and we'll do some stamping and assembling. So now I have my frame cut out, as you can see here. And I won't throw this away because this will come in handy for another project. And this piece here. And then once this goes on here, we'll be able to add this on here. And you'll see now we have a nice little floral border going the whole way around, which I just love. Once we lift this up as well, it'll give some shadow and dimension to our piece. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do some stamping next, and then we'll do some assembling. So that's it. There we go. That is card number 6. Using the Love from Lizi, Making Memories December card kit. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and if you have, you might give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and ding the bell so you'll be notified when I share my next card. All the measurements and links are down below in the description, so don't forget to click on the more button and expand that. I'm going to leave it there for now. Until next time, see you again soon. Bye.